Weak wrists equal weak strikes. Here are 3 exercises to forge steel-strong wrists and forearms. I'm using a 4-pound sledge. This could be a steel club, it could be a walking stick or staff, or it could be a dumbbell. The first exercise is going to be the pronation supination. With a neutral thumb up position, you're going to turn your hand palm down. This is pronation, slow and controlled. Bring it back up to neutral position, and then go to supination, which is palm up. Notice I'm keeping my arm tight to my side. I'm not moving my elbow or my shoulder. One more time, slow and controlled. Palm down is pronation. Palm up is supination. Think of carrying soup, a bowl of soup. The next exercise is going to be the radial deviation. My arm is tight to my side. And last will be ulnar deviation. Again, always slow and controlled. Practice, practice,